So guys, today I'll be cooking some rice and peas and curry chicken. Guys, last week I promised you that I would cook rice and peas and curry chicken, but guess what? I cook the rice and peas and curry chicken now, guys. But we forget for video. We forget to make content from it, myself. I can't even believe me. Just have to laugh after my own self. But today now I'm doing the same menu, so I'll just show you along, alright? Yes, guys. Yes, guys, so here I have my layout. I have my rice, my peas, and this is for the curry chicken. Well, this is for the rice. This is for the rice right here. And this is for the curry chicken, along with the curry, Maggi, black pepper, jerk seasoning, butter for the rice. Guys, I like a piece of coconut, you know. Made it obviously in the freezer. So because it melt, just look like that one. Well, fix it up, man. When me done blend up this and so, I make it taste like enough coconut in there. Like guys, I don't like to use coconut powder, so I rather use the coconut, guys. It's me behind the camera now. And me have the phone, so I got so much of me today. So I can't hear what me I do. I never know you can hear what somebody I do. Hear what me I say. Yes, guys. So as I said, these are my seasonings, my rice, and I have my chicken over here. So this is the chicken, guys. Almost thawed out. I have my vinegar, things that I'm gonna use to wash it. So yes, guys. So now I'm going to start it to pressure my peas, guys. All right. Yeah, man. So guys, I'm pressuring the peas now, as you can see, and I'm about to season my chicken. Yeah. So guys, I season the chicken. I don't like to put my curry on my chicken. I like to Yes, guys, so I want a little piece of chicken, I don't know if, but, no problem, man. So, everybody, have five, are we? 5 piece. And then I have a little curry with the gravy and the rice and peas. Not going too bad. Yes, guys, so this I go and cook. Alright, it's already. Maybe I put a little piece of plastic over it. Yes, guys. And the curry. Curry, come on, man. No, man. I'm going to tell about the curry. Yes, guys, so the food is finished. Rice and peas and curry chicken, guys. I don't have any side order. Just have to eat it like that. But we here, we not really watch nothing. We just, But then what I say, I forgot. So anyway, let me show you the rice. So this is the rice and peas over here, guys. And I know what if peas, But we bend my mind to the condition, yeah. That me they want to say. The curry. Them people I love enough gravy, guys. So we just make enough gravy. And then I have the chicken over here. I look a piece of fried chicken. I'm telling some to do. And enough. I just 5 piece, 5 person. Cause really curry me did really I do not really fried chicken, so I'm telling them to fry a little piece. So yeah, man, I gotta share. So here you have it, guys. The fried chicken with rice and peas and curry chicken. Yes, guys. Oh, it's ketchup that on it, guys. And people love ketchup bad. And them love enough gravy as me did tell you, and them always want to put gravy on them rice. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'm asking you to please subscribe, share, and comment. And hit the notification bell so when I drop another video like this, you will be the first one to be notified. Yes, guys. And as I said again, thanks for watching. And you know me, I always thanking God, thanking Him for the meal and many more to come. Alright? Yes, guys. Bye.